What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Man, it is hot. Um, but if you've been looking for that product, I think many of you guys are seeing this product start kind of being showcased around different platforms, and it's made by DIY Detail. It's probably one of my most favorite ones since I've gotten it and played with it. It has truly became one of my favorites. But anyways, stick around and let's get started. All right, so this next tip is how I pretty much eliminate a lot of this hairs going everywhere. It's pretty much me putting the drill brush and the vacuum nozzle in front of the drill brush. And as you guys can see, literally, there is a minimal sling of pet hair. So this package was the interior detail with an exterior wash. So this is what this vehicle needed. Excessive pet hair, so obviously pet hair removal. I didn't charge this customer the pet hair fee due to it's a first time customer. And I ended up getting two vehicles from here. So it was this one and then a Denali. But a question I get asked a lot is, Carlos, do you need to use an extractor all the time? The answer to that is really it depends on the condition of the vehicle. These customers had some mats that really covered the carpet really well. So what I'm doing here is I'm spraying some carpet solution and I let it dwell for a little bit, and then I come with my Aqua Pro steamer
And then what I'm doing here is I'm gonna start steaming the carpet with this attachment. And what this does is obviously one, it's gonna clean the carpet. Two, it's gonna loosen any type of residue that's in the carpet, like minor stains, as well as light pet hair that maybe I didn't pick up with the vacuum. I also went ahead and I removed the filter out of my rigid vacuum, so that I could use it as an extractor, wet method pretty much. But obviously, with the steamer method, you don't do a lot of like, you don't soak the carpet. So I use a towel after I steam the carpet to just kind of give it a little bit of some drying as well. And it also kind of picks up some debris left from the carpet, like pet hair and so forth. And this is truly the process on what I do when I'm working with very maintained interiors, that maybe they don't need the full, pull out the extractor or nothing. You can do some amazing work by just using the right products, a steamer and an extractor or a wet vac if you don't have one. So this is truly just a method that I use whenever the vehicles are not in bad shape. Yeah, it had a lot of pet hair, but really once you remove all the pet hair, this carpet was solid.
DIY, hashtag DIY. What I have here, guys, is the perfect like spray sealant, uh, topper, maintenance spray, whatever you want to use it for. This is their ceramic gloss, guys, from DIY Detail. This one is, I think it's paired with Ivan LaCroix and Hawk Pro Detail. They recently came out with a product line and really just nailed it. This is a high-tech ceramic detail spray. It forms a chemical bond with your paint to increase UV protection, and makes it superior both in longevity and protection, guys. As a standalone product, this one here should give you between 4 to 6 months. But I always say it's an estimate, so it really depends on how they maintenance the vehicle, right? But the way I've been using it, it's very simple. I just went ahead and finished washing this car, and now I dried it, and now you guys have seen this product probably being used indoors in a garage, in a shop. I'm going to show you guys how I use it outside. So let me bring this camera just a little bit closer. I don't want to make this video very long. And let's see. This should be pretty good right there. All right, so this vehicle has been dried, and all I do, guys, is I will do a mist like that, 2 sprays on my towel, and then I will just blend it into the paint. Then what I'll do is I will flip my towel around, and when you guys flip that towel around, guys, you're gonna feel this paint really slick, very slick. The way I've tested it out was at 24 hours, or I let it cure out, guys. This thing was beating like crazy. The next day, literally, it rained on my wife's vehicle, and I had used ceramic gloss, and man, this thing, when I tell you, it gives you like obviously like a ceramic, it gives you the ceramic effect. Very nice beads. And as I was driving down the freeway, literally everything was just blowing right off. Hashtag Serrano's Mobile. As far as the cost on this, guys, it is $14.99. $14.99. And that price, I mean, I really can't complain. It's a perfect price because it's very affordable to beginner detailers, for people that that just wash their cars on the weekends. For DIY, right? It's made for the people who like to maintain their vehicles on their own, right? But for us pro detailers, if you're looking for a product that's going to give you just the perfect gloss, the perfect slickness, it's definitely all there. And I'll be posting the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Use promo code capital caps all Serrano, Carlos, or Carlos Serrano. I'll post all that info I forgot. You're gonna get 10% off at the checkout. But I've used Geon Wet Coat. Obviously, that one's more of a spray and mist. But I'll be showcasing something just as good as Geon Wet Coat from DIY as well later on. But this one really, many people are asking me, how do you compare this to what products? Honestly, the only products I have used was Fab's Topper, obviously the DPC line like TR8, or their Quick Detailer, or the Aqualux Quick Detailer. All those brands are really good, guys. I'm not gonna knock them down. But when it comes to price, this one here is definitely one that is just above all as far as price, affordability, and the way it performs on vehicles. I've used this on black, on mostly any car right now, just to test it out. And I've really enjoyed this product really, really well. So anyways, I'm going to be picking 3 lucky winners by next week. That was today. Today is Thursday. So next week, Thursday, I'll be doing the giveaway. 3 lucky winners are going to be able to win this amazing product that's from DIY Detail. Again, shout out to Nick and Ivan LaCroix for really creating such an amazing product line. And I've really enjoyed it. So thank you for sending me these and, me playing with it. But this one literally has been my favorite. It gives you everything you need to maintain your vehicles, maintain your customers' vehicles at a price you can afford. And that's the best part. So anyways, God bless you guys. We'll definitely see you guys on the next video.